Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll see how to use Codepen. Let's watch this. Actually in before tutorial we seen how to use editor and how to download it and how to create a HTML file and how to execute it. We seen everything was clear, but is it there any website to create a HTML file and CSS file and JavaScript file, and with the help of one website can we create an website? So is it available in internet? Yes, available. That is called Codepen. So we'll see how to use Codepen. So how we can create the files and how we can create the website. So guys, if you are facing any problem to install Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code or Sublime or Atom, with the help of codepen.io we can create the website very easily. Open Google Chrome and search Codepen. So automatically it shows the website in Google search, which is called codepen.io. This is the official website. If you have already account, just log in. If you not, just sign up. I have already account, so that's why I'm logging by using GitHub. Actually I created account by using GitHub, so that's why I'm logging by using mail ID and my password, and just click sign in. So after clicking the sign in, you'll get like a verification code to your mail ID. So just go to mail. I already opened my mail ID and just copied and pasted the verification code. Just click authorize Codepen. So after doing that, it will redirect to your codepen.io. So just go to your work tab. So what I have done in before, this is all my work. So just I'm opening any click, just open anyone. So yes, I created in before, which is my first project, I think. So I created Hari 2. So yeah, so you can see that I'm changing some of the changes here. I'm changing my project name, and also I'm changing what you want. You can do the changes, and I'm changing here some of the names, which is called Hari. So if you give the Haripriya, so it will shows here. So no need to like execute, no need to run. So when we are using the editors, we need to run, right? So but here in Codepen, so no need to do that. So coming to in Visual Studio Code, if you do that, definitely we need to save our file and we need to control S and we need to run that file. But in coming to Codepen, no need to do that. You can see the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, 3 tabs was there in 3 things. So if you want to write, just do that and it was automatically shows the output in down. So it's like a very clear a good website to create a HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Guys, if you are really beginner to learn how to create a website, so this is the best. Codepen.io is the best website to learn and to create very crazy things. And if you want to change the views of this, you can change the view of the file and everything. You can see only I'm able to see HTML and CSS. So this is editor view is the best to keep. And if you say, if you share that link, which is http codepen haripriyamannetech for pen jaddi, that link to your friends, they can access your what you have done, the work was, they can access very easily. So don't forget to do that. Just do, and you can share the friends, and this is very easy thing to share to your friends. And coming to editors, so if you are using Visual Studio, Sublime, Atom, whatever it may be, it was very difficult to share. So Codepen is the best website. Just use and learn something crazy about HTML, CSS and JavaScript, how to design a website. I'll come with another tutorial which is called what is document object model. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with a new videos and new tutorials for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share, and also just comment in comment section. Definitely I will reply to your